Yo, see my broskies and bros Venus. Back to another video. As you can see, leaner, pecs, bigger, shoulders, wider, biceps, peakier. That was the gayest shit I ever said. I'm currently drying my clothes. I have to get my clothes out of the dryer. They weren't wet. They were just super wrinkly, so I needed some, heat to like smooth the wrinkles down. So we are gonna get thy shot. Today is leg day. We're gonna be hitting, you guys guessed it, legs. Yeah, this shirt's huge. Shit, what I do? Am I right or am I right? If I put you guys right here, could you guys see my physique better? Just gotta get rid of this shit. By the end of this cut, I wanna have rock hard shredded abs, bro. Like, I mean, better than this. I want, like those videos that you see, like, of, people like in their suntan, and then you just see them with their drink in their hand, and their fucking abs just fucking ripped, dude. Like, you see each individual ab. I want to be like that. Now, could I achieve that? I don't know. We're gonna figure that shit out. Also, guys, I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit of my room, but I got a new PC. Yeah, I got 3060 Ti. It's Ryzen 7 5700X. Sorry. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. I want to upgrade to fucking 32 because 16 is not enough, dude. I got a terabyte of storage of NVMe SSD. NVMe. Yeah, is that what it is? NVMe SSD. M.2. I don't know what the fuck the difference is, if I'm being honest. It's been a while since I've been in the computer space, okay? There's a lot of things that changed. I think I found a decent carb source. Cereal. I don't know. I heard somewhere, saw a video one time. Cereal, good. Did it one time, felt great. So we're gonna do it again. Good enough, right? Just made it to the gym right now. Half a double bag. It's making my stomach hurt a lot. I don't know why. I think I've already said this past few videos actually, that my digestive system has been fucked. Still is. I've been finding it really hard to reach even just my deficit, man. On some days. On the days I work, I can eat it more, but the days I work, alright, so in my job, I'm just walking all the fucking time. So on average, I get 40,000 steps. I'll put it right here. I work overnight, so the steps are added up from the day before and the day after, and I average 20,000 steps on both days. And I don't walk anywhere else. That's all walking I do. My phone's in my pocket, so that's the only thing it's measuring. So I looked it up, and approximately it's like 2,000 calories lost. I don't know how accurate that is. Maybe it's like 1,500, maybe. But on those days it's easier to eat my deficit because I'm walking all the fucking time. Is this me or does this shit look dirty, bro? God damn. Looks like I got one. What's that one disease that makes your like neck black? I don't fucking. Dude, this is dirt. I think it's just my hair. I'm saying it's dirt, like if I haven't showered. I showered yesterday. I'm gonna shower after the gym right now. What the fuck? Anyways. So yeah, struggling eating. I forgot my tripod. So whoop de fucking do. Hopefully they got one in there. It's packed right now. Yeah, I'm gonna meet you guys inside. And let's go.
Honestly, bro. Look at this shit, man. Most of this is due because it's so fucking humid in here because they have the garage open, so it's just the heat. And it's like 85 degrees right now, which is probably like fucking light work. It's like fucking every California and Texan and fucking. But guess what? In Chicago, well, the burb area, same thing with Chicago though, is 60% of our weather is, most of the time is fucking cold. So that 40%, not even, it feels like 30, dude, because like summer lasts like 2-3 months, and it goes straight to fall, and fall feels short as fuck, and then boom, it's already snowing. Plus our fucking weather's retarded here, dude. Anyways, this is the physique. I don't know how I look right now, but the obliques were showing more. My abs need work. I don't know if I just gotta work on them. I don't know why I'm flexing my arms like the legs, but I'm gonna feel naked taking off my sweatpants. Right now I have the biggest, like, hammy cramp. Not cramp, but like, I'm about to get a cramp type shit. Also keep in mind, I have not worked legs, or at least a good leg workout in a while, so that's me right now. Decent pump, not too shabby. I didn't eat my food or the rest of my cereal. I honestly forgot about it, bro. But it's whatever. A little bit of a hammy pump. I got one set of hammies and then hack squat. So it hits both the quad and the hammies. Legs are fucking dead, my man. Definitely getting more like lines for sure. Might not be as noticeable on camera, but yeah, try my best to like. I don't want this no more without having surgery, so I have to minimize it or angle it as much as possible so it doesn't show. Before we dip, actually, I want you guys to see my weight. $191.4. That's a new low weigh-in. My lowest before this was 193. Last video, I think. So it's not horrible. Yeah, 191.4. That's it right there. All right, so that's not too shabby. That ain't too shabby, so I'll take it. It's my lowest weigh-in right now, and I think it's the leanest. Almost the leanest I've ever been. The biggest I've ever been for sure, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so I'm putting my shit in. We're gonna go back in the car because I'm fucking drenched right now, dude. All right, I'm home, and I just came home to my dog. To this. Well, it's not even that bad right now, but fuck, man. You literally just have to fucking clean everything up. Literally took like half the shit from the fucking garbage, dude, and just decided to fucking munch on it. He just left the big ass mess in the goddamn floor. Now I gotta freaking clean that shit. It's okay. He's just a dog. But I swear, my dog fucking acts like he never fucking eats, dude. Every time I make food, which is literally every day, I give him a piece of everything. Literally, it could be fucking Popeye. That's probably the reason why, because his ass is used to eating our food, which is the reason why, I'm pretty sure. Like, he's like, I don't want my fucking kibble. I don't want my damn fucking Dave's Double from Wendy's with the side of fry, dude. This motherfucker's like, he be eating good, bro. Too good. That's why he's a little fucking fat piece of shit. Nah, he's not a piece of shit, but he's fucking fat. Gosh, man. That motherfucker needs to be in a calorie deficit, bro. I gotta take him to the gym with me, that fucking fat ass. Jeez, man. I have to eat something right now. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna eat, but I gotta eat something. Jeez Louise, man. Can't show too much of my territory, if you know what I mean, even though you guys can probably dox me or DOS me, whatever the fuck it is right now. Do I give a fuck? No. Send a SWAT team to my house. Send a SWAT team to my house. Bring it on. I'm just kidding. I did not mean that literally. Boom. Boom. Right her. Nice. Just made the burgers. They're looking fucking real good right now. I'm so hungry, bro. I was running the entire thing. That took a little longer than expected. I'm about to go see my girl after this, so I gotta hurry the fuck up, eat this shit, take a shower, and get the fuck out of here. I'm looking pretty fucking beefy. Put the calories and protein of this meal right here with all the ingredients, the mayo, ketchup, mustard, bun, cheese, and the meat. All right. So that's probably the end of the video, guys. See you in the next one. You guys have a good one. Before I leave, this shit cooked perfectly. This shit's so fucking good. Oh my goodness.